12,000 and got 230. So we identified that we have problem here with shopping, because here 90% of all ad spend goes to search and not shopping. I copy this script, then go here, new script. Also you can have this life hack in your assets group. You can set another landing page here. Hello everybody, in today's video I would like to talk about Performance Max campaigns and how to analyze their performance, because sometimes you have only PMax campaign on your account and your Google representative tells you that you don't have to use standard shopping, and they never explain why. They always telling you that PMax is better, but it's always better to use PMax because it has higher conversion rates and so on. But today we will discuss why it's actually sometimes good to run standard shopping simultaneously with PMax, and why sometimes it's bad, and why also we can run DSA campaign, dynamic search ads campaigns, and when we don't have to run DSA campaigns alongside PMax campaigns. Let's go into our account and I will explain how to firstly install Google Ads script. So here we have instructions. And by the way, in our Google Ads Drive system here we have all scripts that you need for your Google Ads campaigns. So here you have this folder scripts, and when you click here you will have link to best 14 Google Ads script for your account. And how you install the scripts, you go to Tools, Bulk Action Scripts, and here in my scenario I copy this script, then go here, new script. And of course, if you have PMax on your account, this script will work, and if you don't have PMax, it obviously won't work. Here you paste this script, and all you need is to insert sheet link here. And here we have our Google Sheet link, and we have to paste it right here and just run this script. You can go back to our Google Sheets, and here the script will update these columns here. And first of all, on the left side here you will have campaigns names here. I won't show it because I don't want to show clients data, but here we can analyze placements inside of PMax. And here we can see that this client is e-commerce client, and I'm auditing this client right now. And here we can see that this client has Merchant Center feed, Google Shopping feed, but here we can see that his ads showing up only in search. Here 90% of all ad spend goes to search and not shopping. And it's quite interesting because why PMax showing ads in search? Because if we go here, we can see that we spent 12,000 and got 230,000 in conversion value. Why? Maybe because we are showing up on our brand keyword, so we have to check. And as you know, if we're showing up very often on brand keywords, we cannot scale because we just cut our profit margins, because often these customers can go back organically without Google Ads, and we can also assign more budget to middle of the funnel and top of the funnel to build awareness and to get cold traffic, not warm traffic and not brand traffic. So let's go to Google to PMax, and when we click Insights here, so in this search terms insights you will have search category, conversions and search volume. It will be blurred everything here, but you can trust me, here I see only brand terms, and it can be problematic if you spend 90% of your budget on brand terms. So using the script we can identify that our ads are not showing up on shopping, on video, and a little bit on display, because I guess it's dynamic remarketing here. And also if you want to efficiently use PMax, you have to install dynamic remarketing and to capture item ID of every product. And in our Google Drive system, we also have instructions here. When we click Google Tag Manager, here we have dynamic remarketing here, and you can install dynamic remarketing using these instructions here. So we identified that we have problem here with shopping because we are using Merchant Center feed, Google Shopping feed, and we don't show up on Google Shopping. So here we can use standard shopping, and Google Shopping will have cold audience, so we can increase our cold traffic. And we also can exclude brand from PMax and create standalone search campaign in order to control this budget that we can spend on brand. Because of course you can spend on brand, for example, 10% of your budget on brand, but not 90% of your overall budget on search brand. So also you can here see that we spending not even 1% on YouTube. So you can launch YouTube ads campaign for remarketing, for example, and remarket audience that was on your website. For example, person who visited your, I don't know, t-shirt page, you can remarket this person with YouTube remarketing with this video of this t-shirt. So basically that's how you can analyze PMax placement and make clever decisions, not just use PMax and that's it. You have to analyze placements, and if your PMax working great, you have to ask yourself why. And here we can see that we are showing up on brand because it's very big client and he has good brand awareness. So that's why we show up on search brand terms. And that's why we have to get more cold traffic in order to scale this business, not just cut your profits using brand campaigns. Also, I want to show you, if you click here campaigns and report editor, you can here click landing pages, and here you will have landing page and data per this URL. Also, you can have this life hack in your assets group. You can set another landing page here, for example, final URL, and for your products you will have another custom URL. And so when you go back here into report editor, you will have landing page, and if you have here landing page from assets, you can analyze if you're showing up more on Google Display Network, because assets can be shown only in Google Display Network. And if you have here landing pages from your merchant center, so check your feed, and if you have here landing pages from your merchant center, that means you showing up more on Google Shopping. So that's life hack how you can check your placements without using Google Ads script. And as I said, you can get our Google Ads script in our Google Drive system, where you have SEO, you have email marketing, Google Ads strategies for lead gen and for e-commerce. And also you can check Performance Max campaign placements. And here you will see on which websites your Performance Max campaign is showing up. And here you can see that Google owned and operated placements. Here we can see that we have many impressions, and here all website from Google Display Network. And this way also you can check if your PMax campaign is showing up on Google Display Network, because these placements are from Google Display Network, and it means either Google using Google Display Network for cold traffic, PMax uses for cold traffic, or because it's using Google Dynamic Remarketing for your products on Google Display Network. But as I said, you have to set up dynamic remarketing in your Google Tag Manager using our Google Drive system, so PMax will work more efficient in GDN, in Google Display Network, when dynamically remarketing your audience. And basically that's it. That's how you can analyze your PMax placement and decide if you want to use standard shopping standalone with your PMax. And as you can see, most of our budget goes to search. That's why we should launch shopping, and vice versa. If you want to show up more on search, you can. And if you have, for example, here a big share of Google Shopping, you can launch standalone search campaigns, or maybe also video remarketing on YouTube. So thank you for watching this video. I hope it also was useful for you, and I will be happy if you check out our Google Drive system. Goodbye and have a nice day.